Good morning, dear friends. My name is Francesco Mangani. I'm from Rome, and I'm a professor of the University of Rome, Tor Vergata, where I spent all my professional life teaching operative dentistry, endodontics, and aesthetics. I was the past president of the Italian Society of Conservative Dentistry, and now I am the president-elect of the Italian Academy of Conservative and Restorative Dentistry. Few words to invite you to be part of this great event that would be held in Seville, 17, 18, 19 of May. And this will be the 22nd National Congress of the, I'll try to say in Spanish, Sociedad Española de Odontología Operatoria Estética. Sorry, I'm not able to speak Spanish, but this will be a very important Congress. It's the 9th International Congress, and I'll be there with many friends of mine, other speakers, talking about this beautiful topic that's operative dentistry. I'll give an hands-on course on direct anterior techniques. As you know, probably I've been spending long years of my professional life with Lorenzo Vanini, and I participated to his book. That's why I decided to give this hands-on to let the young people meet his fantastic, beautiful technique for anterior direct restoration. On Saturday, the topic of my lecture will be operative dentistry. What a beautiful word. What a wonderful word, to be exact. And it's really a wonderful word. After more than 35 years in operative dentistry, I would like to say to the young people that operative dentistry is one of the most important bases of dentistry. To restore teeth, to give back smiles, to give back function, maintaining natural teeth is probably the most important goal that a dentist has to realize in his career. So, my dear friends, will be waiting for you at the Congress in Seville, just to join us, just to share friendship, to have fun, and to talk about our everyday life in dentistry. So see you there, and ciao from Rome.